today we are going to be doing a review on the ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil on the Cactus Blossom edition right here. I am so excited for it. It's so pretty and so cute. I think this was released about like 2 months ago, so I know this is kind of late. I know. But for those who don't know what the lip oils is, this is a super nourishing lip oil. It's perfect for a sheer kiss of color, infused with a lip-loving blend of antioxidant, rich chamomile and calendula oils. This lightweight gel oil formula leaves your lip kissably soft. Okay, so these lip oils right here, a really quick comparison. I've only had 2 other lip oils before, and this is the Milani lip oil, and this is the Revolve Skin First lip oil. So between these two, I would say that these are such a thicker formula. They are kind of like a sleeping mask when you apply at night, just to help like super hydrate and lock them in. But compared to the Cactus Luxe lip oils, these are a more wearable oil during the daytime, which I actually do prefer. So this is how the back looks. It's very cute, and then in the front as well, they are lined up, so it's really nice. And then you just push this out and then it comes out like this. So the actual doe-foot applicator itself is pretty chunky and I do like it. So the first one that we're going to be swatching is Dewdrop, and this one right here is a clear gloss, so it doesn't have any shade, but I will still swatch it for you guys. And so this is my lip color. It's very dark. Okay, so this is Skinny Dip and this is the lightest shade, and then we are just going to be applying that on my lips. I'm gonna go in with a second layer to see if I can build up this color. My lips have been so dry this whole morning, but I was like, just hold on. You have to get ready first before you film, and then you can put in the lip oils. Okay, so this is going to be the third layer, just to really build up the color. So this is Skinny Dip third layer right here. You do see more of a color payoff on the second layer for sure. The first one was really just there to kind of help moisturize your lip, but this is still a really nice shade, and I think it fits really well with this whole outfit right now and this whole look. So this is Skinny Dip. So next up we have is Playa Vista, and it is just a little bit darker, more orange. So this is the first layer. This is so pretty, and it definitely gives a little bit more warmth to this look right here, and it's actually really nice. I do like it a lot. Okay, we're gonna go in with the second layer. As you can see, the second layer just gives it a little bit more color, nothing too like crazy. Okay, and then this is the third layer that I'm gonna put on. So this is the third layer of Playa Vista right here. It's where the second and third layer you get more color, and this is just a very nice warm brown shade, and I absolutely love this. It looks so good. Like, I literally can't stop staring at myself in the viewfinder. Even when you wipe it off, it definitely still feels like your lips are moisturized, and my lips were so dry this morning. Like, I had nothing on this morning at all because I was waiting to put on the lip oils, because I didn't want to have them like, I didn't want to misinterpret any of the formulation. So that was that. So next up we have Hot Shot right here, and it's more of a redder, warmer shade, of course. And so then I'm just gonna put this on. It's more brown as well. So right off the bat, the first application, you can see how brown it is. Like, it is pulling through that color, that pigmentation. So I do like this color a lot. So then let's go ahead with a second layer right here. I really like the applicator because it's just so smooth. It's so flexible, so I really like that. So this was the second layer of it, and you can really see the color coming through. It looks very different compared to all of the other lip oils that I have applied on. Let's go ahead with a third layer. You can really see the color on once you get darker and darker. So yes and no, you can kind of build up to that third layer, but I think it's just a little bit hard. This is the third layer and you can really see the color payoff of it. It's very, very nice though. So building this up to the second or third layer, I'm actually really impressed, which I have not done previously. I've only did one light layer because I wanted to kind of wait until this video to kind of do like a full like first impression. This is actually really amazing. I initially thought that there wasn't that much color payoff, especially when you do the second and third layer and you can really see that color. So this is Hot Shot and it's definitely one of the most pigmented brown shades. So next up we have is Bengal, and I will be applying one layer. Right off the bat, you can see how pinky it is and it's coming off as pink. So I really do like that they have a pinky collection in here. It just adds in like a different flavor almost. It just makes it a little bit more unique in that shade. So this is really nice to pull off. So this is going to be the second layer. So this is the second layer of Bengal. And I will be applying the third shade. So this is the third layer of Bengal on my lips. So let's talk about the Luxe lip oils. So right off the bat, I absolutely love them. This is still kind of like a first impression is because even though I had them a couple of days, I've only used a thin light layer and I was disappointed because it didn't seem as pigmented as it looked. And so today I actually had to build it up for this video, of course, but it actually really impressed me because the second and third layer you can really see that color, and I'm just impressed. Like, I am absolutely in love with them. It definitely is up to your personal lip color though, because Skinny Dip just didn't really show on my lips that well. I mean, it definitely still gave off the color payoff and I still did a really good job, but if you guys have darker lips than I do, I don't think that Skinny Dip will show up. But to be completely honest, you can already tell like right from the get-go that it will be a light color regardless. The biggest benefit of using the Luxe lip oils versus me just using my regular Dr. Bronner's lip balm during the daytime is the fact that this actually looks like a lip gloss. The formulation of itself is really thin, very oil-like and very nourishing on your lips, but still looks like a lip gloss, and that's what I really love about these. They're very buildable as well, so I do quite like them. In terms of buying the whole collection for $38, like, is it worth it? I don't think it's necessary to get all of the shades. For me personally, I don't think I would purchase the Skinny Dip or the Dewdrop simply because I don't really wear lip glosses by itself. I don't really like my own lip color. I would rather have some type of color underneath. For me, I just don't think I would use Skinny Dip as often just because it is a more paler shade. Regardless, I do like these lip oils themselves and I would definitely repurchase. So that was it for this review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!